Welcome back. Pumpkins are not just for carving this time of year. It may be the secret to keeping your skin healthy. With more on eating the right foods for good skin, we're joined by Dr. Sherry Ingraham. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
You were telling me this is a pumpkin, which I would
That is a pumpkin. It's not a carving
pumpkin. You don't
pumpkin,
carve it.
but
You
it's
don't put
a
a scary
beautiful
face
pumpkin.
on it. And what does this have to do with my skin?
So anything that is a bright, deep hue in the fall you want to eat. It's packed with beta carotene. So pumpkins, for example, you want to cut up those pumpkins after Halloween, cook them. They have 200% your daily need of vitamin A in them. They're great for your skin and lots of fiber. Squash. These are actually summer squash, and these are spaghetti squash. Squash is packed with vitamin A also. And then sweet potatoes also packed with beta carotene because it's a deep colored food. Yams and sweet potatoes are totally different things. And these are actually sweet potatoes that look like yams, but sweet potatoes packed with vitamin A, lots of fiber, and then a favorite of dermatologists, pomegranates.
Why is that?
Pomegranates are such neat fruits. Okay, so first of all, they contain ellagic acid. So ellagic acid is this very important polyphenol that keeps us from getting sun damage. It's so important that products, vitamin supplements are actually made containing pomegranate extract because it helps prevent skin cancer and sun damage, but also full of vitamins. Cut them open, soak them in water for 10 minutes because most people go, what do I do with this?
I know.
And then pull out the arils and eat them. Kids and adults love them. Or you can buy them frozen at the grocery store.
Wow, so you can either use this or you can just eat one of these.
Exactly, exactly.
Now, what about the seeds?
So zinc is very, very important in our skin. In inflammatory conditions, psoriasis, acne, you want to have adequate zinc in your diet. Pumpkin seeds are packed with both zinc, vitamin E, and omega-3s, which you hear a lot about. We need those healthy omega-3s in our skin. So you can buy plain pumpkin seeds, or now they actually have different flavored ones if you want to give them to the kids. These are delicious. And also, you want to get these things in forms your family will eat. So if you got to get the cranberries in them, because cranberries actually have anti-inflammatory, antiseptic properties. So it's not just because they're yummy on the Thanksgiving table. They help prevent infections because they help prevent biofilms, which is why we want to eat cranberries. Buy them dried, put them on salads and your kids' lunch. Buy the new butternut squash pre-made noodles and fries. Easier than cutting these up and cooking them. And then also pomegranate juice is a great way to get your pomegranate in.
I had no idea. So, you know, nature's trying to help us out, not just with good foods.
Everything you need is literally there in the produce section of the grocery store. You just have to be creative and find it. But remember, the deeper the hue of the vegetable, the better it is for you, the more beta carotene it is. Beta carotene is converted by our body into vitamin A, and vitamin A is so important for healthy skin turnover.
Wow, thank you so much for coming along.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.